And Olivia was getting holy water. All right, we got holy water and we've got the stone. We've got the bishop. And where is Pastor Tina? I saw her. Where's our new priest?
Where is Reverend?
Yeah, Reverend Mary and Pastor Tina. So I'd like to introduce Pastor Tina is the pastor of the Fairport Harbor Congregational Church here in town. She was here for our opening. Tina and I have been on this journey a very long time, and I know Mary and Tina are close. So come on up here, Tina. You're going to help us bless this cornerstone. So. Okay. And Tina's running from her own services this morning. So thank you. Not from, but after. All right. We got, yep. Yeah, Mary, we need to see you. Okay.
Yes, Reverend Catherine.
So very quick prayer, because I know we've been praying for a very long time, but a few weeks ago, I came across a line from St. Hildegard that speaks to us today. From the clouds rain down, the heavens move. The stones have their moisture. The waters give forth streams, and the earth sweats out greenness. The words on this cornerstone are humbling. Dan, when it arrived, I was very touched by what was written on it. Yes, I had the vision of forming an independent Catholic community grounded in the charism of St. Hildegard. But without each and every one of you, none of it would have come to fruition. It would have just remained one of my many crazy ideas that nobody responds to. This is my aunt. That's why she laughs so hard. She knows it. So many of you have been sweating greenness over these last 2 years, and I am sincerely grateful, most especially Rick. So I think we need to give Rick a hand. Yay! Rick. There, yeah, come on, Rick, so everybody can see your teacher, the pastor's husband. Richard, when he's drilling, when Becky and I are trying to record.
Yeah, Richard.
That's what was being hollered yesterday. Richard, stop drilling. But thank you to all who have sweated greenness to make this a possibility. As you're all familiar with the scripture passage, the stone that the builder rejected became the cornerstone. We, the community of St. Hildegard, are the cornerstone of a new church unfolding in our midst. So we'll take a moment now to bless this stone. We'll bless it with holy water, and we ask that it may provide our community with the support that we need to continue growing for many years to come. Bill, will you lead us, please? And then we'll all bless the stone, and then Rick's going to put it in. Yep, you're first, the stone. Or Rick keeps telling me it's not a cornerstone, it's a brass plaque, but it's the symbol.
Not stone, it's too heavy.
And if I can ask any of our founding council members who are here to also come forth and bless the stone. I think Pat might be downstairs putting out desserts, but but our council chair and scribe and our treasurer, who was very happy when Dan paid for the cornerstone. So Rick is going to install the stone, and then our amazing singer Becky is going to sing the dedication song. Dan said there wasn't a chance he was getting up on the ladder with that. So that is not Elmer's glue.
No, it's Rick's glue.
Yeah, that glue is not going anywhere. While he's doing that, you can see we're installing it right above the original cornerstone, which says St. Michael's Greek Catholic Church, which was founded in 1926.
Hopefully fits. Oh, yeah.
Well, then we're going to be saying Richard.
All that drilling, I should hope so.
All right. Yay. Okay, so with that, we'll move the ladder and Becky will come forward here and sing our dedication.
If I'm centered enough for Carol's liking. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Good, Carol?
Is that good? Let's get up a little higher. All right. And then,
Yes.
okay, perfect.
Orzchis ecclesia armis definis precincta et iacinto ornata tu es caldemia stigmatum lofonium et urbis scientiarum tu es in alto et es corsta gema
Any final words, Bishop Phil?
Look at the heavens. What a glorious day for this. Congratulations
Thank you, and thank you for being here, and
for inviting me.
you're always welcome. It's always a pleasure to have Phil with us. Very green, not
Yes.
red. Red is traditionally the color for ordinations, but we had Mary and Phil and I met and said it will absolutely clash with all of the yes, with all the Hildegard stuff. We need green, and we decided green is actually a more appropriate color for ordination because it's a sign of new life and growth and germination.